Hi, my dear students. Good morning to all. This is Kritika. I am handling 10th Standard Maths. I hope you and your family members are safe at home. Before entering into the session, I just want to share the motivational quotes. Silence and smile are two powerful tools. Smile is the way to solve many problems, and silence is the way to avoid many problems. Let's start the session. Probability. Random experiment. See the definition for random experiment. And random experiment is an experiment which it will be consider the 2 point, that is the set of all possible outcomes are known. Second one is exact outcome is not known. See one example, tossing a coin. If you know, tossing a coin, that is in the cricket place or any game which are using the toss for the playground or otherwise which place like that they choose. If you toss, see it is one rubber, but you have to assume that this is one coin. Okay, here we have a head, here we have a tail. So this set of all possible outcomes are known. If I toss the coin, if I know exact outcome, that must be a head or tail. If you know, no, that is not known. So the 2 point it is considered as, that is for the random experiment. Second, first point is, that is the set of all possible outcomes are known. Second one is exact outcome is not known. Likewise, I give the three example. The first example is tossing a coin. Second one is rolling a die. Third one is selecting a card from a pack of 52 cards. Next one is sample space. So see the definition for the sample space. The set of all possible outcomes in a random experiment is called as sample space. Before that, we have seen the random experiment definition. The first point, if it is satisfying the random experiment, that is called sample space. So it is generally denoted by S. See the example for sample space. When we roll a die, the possible outcomes are the phase numbers. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that is in the sample space we say that S equal to, here capital S equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Capital S is denoted for the sample space. Next definition is tree diagram. Tree diagram allows us to see visually all possible outcomes of a random experiment. Each branch in a tree diagram represent a possible outcomes. So here, what is the tree diagram? Tree diagram means there are the branches. For that branches, here see one example. If you know that coin, so here one coin is there. That means if it is the coin, means here the possible tree diagram, that is head and tail. So for the one circle, here we have a, that means one circle means coin. This is one coin. That means we have a head, tail. Okay. So this is for that. Then if you have a toss at two coins, so each coin have a head, tail. So here one coin is there, another one coin if you take means this coin also we have a head, tail. So the possible for the first coin, that means only one coin means here the possible terms are head, tail. Likewise for the two terms means, so how it is possible means for the head. So here we have a head, tail. So for this head, tail, we have a head, tail for the second coin, because here this is the first coin, this is for the second coin possibilities. So we can write that head, 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 tail, head, tail, tail. Again I have repeat you. இப்போ நமக்கு சப்போஸ் ஒரே ஒரு காயின் நம்ம டாஸ் பண்ணுறோம் அப்படின்னாவே ஹெட்டு டெயில் இருக்கும். அனதர் ஒன் காயின் தனியாக டாஸ் பண்ணுறோம் அப்படின்னா ஹெட்டு டெயில் இருக்கும். ஸோ இப்போ ரெண்டு காயின் இருக்குது நம்மக்கிட்ட. ஸோ இங்கே ரெண்டு காயின் இருக்கும்போது இந்த காயினை நான் டாஸ் பண்ணுறேன் அப்படிங்கும்போது எனக்கு ஹெட்டு வருது, இந்த காயினை நான் டாஸ் பண்ணும்போது எனக்கு ஹெட்டு வருது. ஸோ அப்புறம் என்ன பாசிபிலிட்டிஸ்? ஹெட்டு. அதே மாதிரி நான் அகெயின் டாஸ் பண்ணும்போது எனக்கு இங்கே ஹெட்டே கிடைக்குது, பட் இங்கே எனக்கு கிடைக்கும் போது டெயில் கிடைக்குது. ஸோ அடுத்து இதை நான் டாஸ் பண்ணும்போது எனக்கு டெயில் கிடைக்குது, இதை எனக்கு டாஸ் பண்ணும்போது ஹெட்டு. திரும்ப டெய்லு, திரும்ப இங்கேயும் டெய்ல். ஸோ அப்போது 2 காயின் பாசிபிலிட்டிஸ் என்ன அப்படின்னா ஹெட்டு ஹெட்டு, ஹெட்டு டெய்லு, டெய்லு ஹெட்டு, டெய்லு டெய்லு. ஸோ ரிமெம்பர் இட் ஃபார் த 2 காயின். ஃபார் த 1 coin means here we have the possibilities head, tail alone. For the 2 coin means head, 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 tail, tail, head, tail, tail. Example 8.17. Express the sample space for rolling 2 dice using tree diagram. So here we want to use the tree diagram. For the tree diagram, so first of all we want to know the dice. So we know the dice. Here we have the dice. So this dice, we want to here 2 dice are there. So first possible there, the first dice possible term is 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is the first die. Then the second die we want to do that is also for the 2 dice also, then face numbers are 6 alone. So each we have a 6 terms are there. So 6 waves you have to draw. 1 2 3 4 5 6 like that. Here 1 2 3 4 5 6. For the 3 1 2 3 4 5 6. For 4 also 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Likewise for 6 also 1 2 3 4 5 6. Here I didn't use the scale. Okay, so in your classic note you have to use the scale pencil for the tree diagram. So now we want to write the sample space. For the sample space means you have to write in the set bracket, we have to write in the pair. So for that, here the sample space is denoted by S. So S equal to set of. So how to write? See here for the first one, 1 is there. So 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4 like a pair. So if you write pair means that is the sample space for this 2 dice. So write here 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4, 1 comma 5, 1 comma 6. Likewise for the 2 also you have to write 2 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 2 comma 3, 2 comma 4, 2 comma 5, 2 comma 6. Likewise 3 comma 1, 3 comma 2, 3 comma 3, 3 comma 4, 3 comma 5, 3 comma 6. Next one is 4 comma 1, 4 comma 2, 4 comma 3, 4 comma 4, 4 comma 5, 4 comma 6. Then 5 comma 1, 5 comma 2, 5 comma 3, 5 comma 4, 5 comma 5, 5 comma 6. Then 6 comma 1, 6 comma 2, 6 comma 3, 6 comma 4, 6 comma 5, 6 comma 6. Then close the set bracket. So totally here we have to write the sample space for the 2 dices. That means you have to calculate that pair 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 19 30 31 32 33 34 35 36. So here that means if you calculate the pair means write like this, n of s equal to 36. This is useful for the probability sums. Okay, so n of s means already we know that cardinal numbers for the set. In the first unit we have seen this one. Then again I have recall you, இந்த இடத்த பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் நமக்கு 2 டை இருக்குது. ஸோ 2 டை இருக்கனால தான் ரெண்டுலேயுமே நமக்கு என்ன இருக்கும், இங்கே நம்ம எடுக்கிறோம் டையில் எடுக்கிறோம் அப்படின்னா எத்தனை இது வரும் இங்கே பாருங்க 1 2 3 4 5 6. இது ஒரு செட் ஆஃப் இது. அதே மாதிரி இங்கே 1 2 3 4 5 6. ஸோ ரெண்டு இதுலேயுமே தனித்தனியாக சிக்ஸ் சிக்ஸ் பேஸ் நம்பர்ஸ் இருக்குது. ஸோ அதனால தான் உங்களோட சாம்பிள் ஸ்பேஸ் 36 கிடைக்குது. ஸோ செக் வித் த கொஷின் வாட் தே ஆஸ்க் அண்ட் வாட் தே கிவன். என்ன கொடுத்துருக்காங்கன்னு பார்த்து படிச்சுட்டு தான் இந்த இது கரெக்டாக இருக்கணும். ஸோ ஃபார் த 2 die there are total number of sample spaces, that is 36 sample space are there. Next definition, that is event. See the definition. Here we have in a random experiment, each possible outcomes is called an event. So for the random experiment, ஒவ்வொரு possible outcomes, that means for the toss a coin, head or tail, like that. Then for the die, the phase numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6. Then for the pack of cards, we have taken only one, selecting a card, like that. For the card, there are so many cards are there, that means a jack, a queen, a king, ash. Then the numbers are there 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, like that. The different shapes are there, heart, clever, spade, diamond, like that. And also the color difference also is there. There are 2 red colors and 2 black colors are there, like that. There have a event. That event is a subset of the sample space. So here we have one example, that means getting 2 heads when we toss 2 coins is an event. So now see that question. That means here we have to we toss 2 coins. So what are the possibilities for the sample space? That means HH, HT, TH and TT. That means head head, head tail, tail head, tail tail. For this, here with the ask question is getting 2 head, only 2 head. எதில் வந்து 2 head இருக்கு. So here we have the possibilities is, that is only one is there. So this head is that HH, that is a event for this example. Likewise, they ask so many questions from the coin, dice and also pack of cards. So you have to check the question and read the question properly, what they ask, and then you have to write the answer. Next definition is, that is trial. See the definition. Performing an experiment once is called a trial. So when we toss a coin, so if you toss a coin means that each toss of a coin is called a trial. So if you toss like that, if you toss means this is one trial. So maybe it is an head or a tail, that is no problem. What you have performing, if you performing an experiment once, that is called a trial. Exercise 8.3, first question. Write the sample space for tossing 3 coins using tree diagram. So here we want to write the sample space for the 3 coins using tree diagram. Here they mention the tree diagram means you have to draw that tree diagram alone. So first of all, here we have 3 coins. That means here the 3 coins means the first coin means we have the trial, we get that head, tail. So this is the first coin. Then for the second coin, if you toss means so here we get the head, tail. Likewise here also, here we get head, tail. So this is second coin. Then for the third coin, each and one we have a head, tail. Here also head, tail, head, tail, head, tail. Now we want to write the sample space from this tree diagram. How to write? See here we have a first, here we have the arrow mark is there. So head, head, head. So first of all, these branches you have to use that and write. So first of all, write the sample space here. S equal to set of H, H, H. Then second branches, that is head, head. Here we have the another one is there, that is tail. So second one is head, head, tail. Likewise, then next one is head, tail, head. So next one is head, tail, head. Then next one is head, tail, tail. So head, tail, tail. So first of all, you have to complete the first one. Then you move on to the second one. So the second one is tail. Here we have a tail started is there. So tail, head, head. So tail, head, head. Likewise, tail, head, tail. Tail, head, tail. Then tail, tail, head. Then last one, tail, tail, tail. So from this diagram, we have to write that 3 coin sample space. So, ma'am, this is so confusion, man. How to write this? It is so easiest way. See here. Here I have right. We know that 2 coins. What is the possibilities for the 2 coin? That means H, 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 T, T, H, T, T. We know that this is for the 2 coin sample space. So here we want to write the 3 sample space. For that again you have to write for the 2 coin sample space. That means H, 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 T, T, H, T, T. From this you have to choose the first row. Here we have the first row is there. For the till end லாஸ்ட்ல மட்டும்தான் எழுதணும். இந்த ஃப்ரண்ட்லேயோ நடுவுலையோ அந்த மாதிரிலாம் எதுவுமே எழுதக்கூடாது. இந்த லாஸ்ட்டில் தான். For the first row we have to write all the H at last. So H, 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 H. Likewise here T, 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 T. Here for first row we have to use the head. For the second row we want to use the tail. So we finished for the 3 coin sample space. This simple method it is useful for the sums because we have to committed mistakes here and there from the using the tree diagram or otherwise in the sum also. It is easy to solve. Second question. Write a sample space for selecting 2 balls from a bag containing 6 balls numbered 1 to 6 using tree diagram. So here also we have to take that bag. That means here we have the bag, one bag. So here we have the bag that 6 balls, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So totally 6 balls are there. So here I have write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For the balls they mention the name. That means 1, 2, 3 like that mentioned. So now we have to draw the tree diagram for this balls. If I take 2 balls, இந்த number ball இருந்து 2 balls எடுக்க போகிறோம் அப்படின்னா the what are the possibilities? So here we have to draw that diagram, that tree diagram. That means so this is one ball like that you have to assume. Then here we have the numbers are there. So 6 numbers are there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these balls are there. So here we have to use the tree diagram from this. So here we have 1 is there. So if I take 1 means what are the possibilities? Remaining balls are there. So if I take 1 means the remaining possibilities 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here you have to write 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Because here இந்த ஒரு பேக்கில் இந்த 6 நம்பர் பால்டு மட்டும்தான் இருக்குது. வேறு எந்த பால்ஸுமே இல்லை. அதே மாதிரி டிஃப்ரெண்ட் பேக்கும் they didn't mention. So if I take 1 means the remaining balls are the possibilities. So likewise here we have to do the for the 2. So if I take the 2 ball means what are the remaining terms? That means 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. Likewise here if I take the third ball means so the remaining term balls are 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. For the fourth ball we have to take the fourth one. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Likewise fifth ball if I take means 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. For the sixth one we have to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here they ask the sample space. So you have to write and draw neatly, boys. Okay. boys and girls, here for the tree diagram you have to use the scale and pencil. Don't draw with the normal like that. So you have to draw neatly. Then now we want to write that sample space for this diagram. So here we have that. See the tree diagram, the paired one, that is we have seen in the dice that we have the 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6. That paired element alone we didn't have. That means twin pair alone didn't have for this numbered ball. So now we want to write the sample space straightly. So S equal to, we want to write that S. So here the starting one is, that is 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4, 1 comma 5, 1 comma 6. Then 2 comma 1, 2 comma 3, 2 comma 4, 2 comma 5, 2 comma 6. Then 3 comma 1, 3 comma 2, 3 comma 3, 3 comma 4. Sorry, 3 comma 3 is not there. So 3 comma 4, 3 comma 5, 3 comma 6. Then 4 comma 1, 4 comma 2, 4 comma 3, 4 comma 5, 4 comma 6. Then 5 comma 1, 5 comma 2, 5 comma 3, 5 comma 4, 5 comma 6. Then 6 comma 1, 6 comma 2, 6 comma 3, 6 comma 4, 6 comma 5. Then close the set bracket. So here we have the total number of sample space we want to write. So here you have to count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 25 30. So here n of s for the 6 numbered ball is, that is 30. For the 2 die we have the number spaces, that is 36. For the numbered ball we have the 30, because we have take the number ball one by one. We have didn't have the pair element. That means couplet is not there, doublet or like that we have to mention. Here suppose I have already told that for the coin means, here we have the head tail for the first one. This is for the one coin. Okay, then for the two coin means h h h t t h t t. Then for the third other, that means this is two coin toss two coins. This is one coin toss. Then we have to write for the three coin means, so the simple method is you have to write two times in the two coin method, that is h h h t t h t t, like that h h h t t h t t. For the first row, head 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 head, then tail 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 tail. Then close the set bracket. For the one coin toss means the n of s is, that is 2. For the two coin toss means n of s is, that is number of sample spaces 4. Then for the three coin means 8. Likewise for that dice, die means the n of s is 36. If the event they given in the question getting two head, heading two tail like that, or take a one comma doublet, or a sum of the numbers like that, multiple like that, if they mention means the sum will be changed. Okay students, then we have the another one is there, that is pack of cards. Already I have said for the pack of cards, that is king, queen, jack is there, then as also there, and number is 2 to 9 is there. Then the different one is what that means, here we have the shapes are there, heart, that means shape is there, heart, clever, spade, then diamond. So 4 terms are there, and also there 2 cards are there, heart to diamond, that is in the red color, then clever and spade, that is in the black color. It will be useful for your further sums. ஸோ ஏன்னா பிகாஸ் ப்ராபபிலிட்டி சம்ஸில் பார்க்கும்போது இதெல்லாம் தான் நமக்கு தேவையானது. நம்பர் ஆஃப் ஸ்பேஸு தட் மீன்ஸ் வி ஹாவ் டு டேக் தட் ப்ராபபிலிட்டி வி வாண்ட் டு ஃபைண்ட் தட். ஸோ இஃப் யூ வாண்ட் டு ஃபைண்ட் த ப்ராபபிலிட்டி மீன்ஸ் வி வாண்ட் டு know that n of s and n of a, if we want to know, then alone we have to do the sums. So okay students, write your CW neatly and properly. Thank you.